Let's make something clear first. MOV, MP4, WMV, all those things, they are not video codec. They are containers. This means that they contain a video codec plus an audio codec and they combine it together. That container is basically just here to organize the audiovisual content and to say to the movie player like QuickTime or VLC if it's able to read it. Often you can simply rename a file .mov to .mp4 and that's it. You've just converted a video file from MOV to MP4. If you look at the infos of the video, you should see the codec used inside this container. H.264 is, for example, the most popular one. It's the codec you choose when you want to share a video with anybody, because it's lightweight with the minimal sacrifice to the image quality and it's compatible with everything. The way it goes to save space is that it's analyze the image. For example, if we take that shot just right now, you can see that my background is very static. Nothing moves over there. So it analyzes it, it creates an image and let it play as long as it can, instead of reproducing that background for every frame there is 30 times per second. And then it analyzes the rest. For example, my face. The part that needs to be refreshed the most often is my mouth. The rest is kind of static. Maybe not my eyebrow, seems they move all the time. Or even better, my hand, just right now. It can record an image of it that will move in some direction. It's look the same everywhere. So basically it creates key images and will calculate the motion in between instead of fully saving every images. Oh, and fun fact, this is why when you see a lot of confetti in a video, that the image quality dramatically drop. There is just too much motion everywhere for the compressor to do a great job at the same rate. In the other popular codec, we also have HEVC, or H.265, which is here to replace H.264. Hopefully we will get there one day. Basically, it just compresses more than H.264 without compromise to the image quality. It's just even better to calculate how to compress file and how to decompress it. Its con is that it requires more processor power to decompress the video. So you need a better computer to use it, and as it's more recent, many outdated devices won't be able to read it. Then we have video editing codec like ProRes. Those are generally way bigger files. The thing is that a computer doesn't need to go back a few frames to get the keyframe and then to calculate how the image should look right here. Each frame is totally independent, which makes it much more fluid for the video editing software that already have a lot to handle while you do your video editing, and adding title, video effect, a lot, color correction, and all those things. As they are less compressed, they are easier to read for the video editing software, but the file is way much bigger. So it's a terrible format to share because it isn't compatible with mostly anything, and the file is so huge that it's not convenient to share anyway. The difference between H.264 and ProRes is as huge as sending an envelope and a package. Yeah, it's a huge difference. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please ask in the comment below, and I hope to see you in another video. Take care. See ya!